Are you tired of joint pain slowing you down? Today we're looking at Vimerson Health Glucosamine Chondroitin supplement to see if it really works. Vimerson Health makes a joint support pill that combines glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and turmeric. They say it helps reduce joint pain and keeps your cartilage healthy. But does it actually work? Let's break down what's inside. Glucosamine helps build cartilage in your joints. Chondroitin keeps the cartilage flexible and strong. MSM fights inflammation. And turmeric is a natural pain reliever. These four ingredients work together to support your joints. Here is the truth about these ingredients. Some studies show they help reduce joint pain and stiffness. A big 2016 study found glucosamine and chondroitin worked as well as prescription pain meds for knee pain, but other studies show mixed results. The science isn't completely clear. Vimerson's formula adds MSM and turmeric, which could make it more effective than basic glucosamine pills. They make it in certified facilities and use quality ingredients. Many Amazon reviews are positive, with people saying their joint pain got better after a few weeks. Not everyone sees results. Some people need to take it for months before noticing changes. It's not cheap. You'll spend around $30 to $40 per bottle. And if you're allergic to shellfish, be careful since glucosamine often comes from shellfish. This might help if you have mild to moderate joint pain, especially in your knees. It's worth trying if you want to avoid prescription drugs, but don't expect overnight results. Vimerson's glucosamine chondroitin has decent ingredients and good reviews, but results vary by person. It's worth trying for 3 months to see if it helps your joints. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.